Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Dr. John here, back with another banger. Ever wondered what Dubai looks like from the sky? Like really wondered? Get ready to have your mind blown wide open because today, we're taking flight on a breathtaking drone tour of Dubai's most iconic spots. Buckle up, this is going to be epic. We're not talking about your average everyday travel video here, people. This is about seeing Dubai like you've never seen it before from a completely different perspective. Get ready to soar over towering skyscrapers, weave through man-made islands and experience the raw power of the desert, all from a bird's-eye view. Let's do this. First up, we're heading to the king of the skyline, the Burj Khalifa. It's insane. Over 2,700 feet tall, it's the tallest building on the planet. A marvel of glass and steel disappearing into the clouds. Up close, its sheer scale is mind-blowing. From here, the city sprawls beneath us. The grid, highways and buildings resemble Sim City, and this is just the beginning. There's so much more to see. Hold on tight. Next up, we're cruising over to one of the most ambitious engineering projects ever undertaken, the Palm Jumeirah. This man-made archipelago, shaped like a palm tree, is visible from space. Yeah, you heard that right, space. As we fly over, you can see the sheer scale of this thing. Villas, hotels, resorts, all built on these artificial islands, connected by bridges and surrounded by the turquoise waters of the Arabian Gulf. It's like something straight out of a science fiction movie. And the craziest part is that it's still growing. They're constantly adding new branches, new islands, new buildings. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to push the boundaries of what's possible. Welcome to Dubai Marina, a hub of modern architecture, luxury yachts, and vibrant nightlife. Picture skyscrapers, their glass facades reflecting sunlight, while the marina buzzes with activity. Speedboats zip through the water, and as the sun sets, the skyline transforms into a constellation of twinkling lights, Dubai at its finest. Escape the city's hustle and experience the raw beauty of the Dubai desert. The vast dunes offer peace and awe, broken only by the wind's whisper. As the sun sets, the desert glows with warm golden light. A magical experience you'll never forget. We're back in the heart of the city for our final stop, the Dubai Fountain. This isn't your average water show, it's a mesmerizing spectacle of water, light, and music that will leave you speechless. Imagine this, jets of water shooting hundreds of feet into the air, dancing in perfect synchronization to a soundtrack of classical music, pop hits, and Arabic melodies. It's like watching a ballet of water, a symphony of motion and light. And as the show reaches its crescendo, the Burj Khalifa, illuminated in a dazzling display of lights, provides a breathtaking backdrop. It's a fitting end to our drone tour of Dubai, a city that never ceases to amaze. So there you have it, guys, a bird's-eye view of some of Dubai's most iconic landmarks. From the towering heights of the Burj Khalifa to the man-made marvel of Palm Jumeirah, the vibrant Dubai Marina, the serene desert, and the mesmerizing Dubai Fountain, this city has it all. Hopefully, this drone tour has inspired you to add Dubai to your travel bucket list. It's a city that truly has something for everyone, whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a history buff, a foodie, or simply looking for a luxurious getaway. Which of these spots would you visit first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing drone tours. Until next time, peace out.